Hey everyone, in this lecture you are going to learn how to add a background color to your canvas. This is a turtle program we are going to be learning here. So I am going to adding like a new file called bg color. So here we see how to add a simple color to our variable. Let's see here, like a star pattern we have a simple program. No, let's square. Yes, the first lines I'm taking to creating a simple program. Yes, import turtle and all, and similarly the last line of the code also I'm taking over here. So hitting enter, I'm added. So this one I'm going to add like a bg color, like how simple it is means, like turtle dot bg color. See the bg color, inside the bg color we have to pass the value which color we want. YELLO, which color you want to see as a turtle canvas, you can write down. Run the program and see how it is simple and how it is easy to getting bg color. So if you need any other color you want to see, like cyan, orange, any color, you can cyan. Save it, run the code. Wow, you are getting as favorite color you try to prepare here, and you can write the program. If you are written something like this program over here, you will get very simply run it. Wow, you are creating symbols with the diagrams. I hope you enjoy a lot with this applying of the colors. We'll catch you in next lecture. Thank you.